How to find your payment info on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your payment info on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here all you need to do is scroll down until you find browser. Click on it and you have the last option, which is payment info. If you are turn it off, auto file payment forms, you are not gonna find your payment info. Turn it on and you're gonna find your payment info. Click on it, and here they're gonna give you all your payment info, and this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.